Hello guys, good morning. How are you all doing? Welcome back to my vlog. Had a foreigner in Philippines. We are here very early this morning in the auto repair shop to do our monthly repair of our vehicle. Yeah, we did the change oil already last month, and now we let him fix the vault in front, so we let him change the vault into a new one, especially in the situation of our barangay rodong. Na kay anak, ha? Oh, dali ara oy. Especially in the situation of our barangay road, and it is really bad there, so it makes the vehicle or the multi-cab keep braking. Good thing today they are not a bit quite busy. We already called him the other day that we want the multi-cab to be fixed today, this morning. This mechanic here, Melvin, is the one who maintain and fix our vehicle, like the multi-cab, the bongo, if something broken, if something breaks on it. So he knows a lot, and it is getting expensive for us, especially every month something break. Now the mechanics is able to put in the new bolts that we need for the tire, and good thing he able to find the parts in downtown Taliban. And he said the cost of each bolt cost us around 680 pesos, so times 2 it will be 1,360 pesos. And then he able to bring it to the machine shop for the compress, and it costs each one for 200 pesos, so times 2 it will be 400 pesos, and his labor is 700. So the total cost that we did this repair is 2,460 pesos. But since this vehicle is very useful to us, so we keep on repairing and maintaining it, so it will continue running. Yeah, even though it will cost us a lot of money, but we have to. We don't want our things that are broken and just look at it and did not do anything on it. So I guess that is for today's video, guys, and I hope you like it. Thank you for stopping by, and see you next time.